Hey guys, what's going on? Um, just out in the backyard here, trying to get a little bit of fresh air. Very, very sick, guys. Losing my voice. Have to keep very shallow breaths, otherwise I start hacking real bad. Lungs are really bad right now. Anyway, sorry for the lack of content today, guys. No live streams, obviously today or anything like that. But I wanted to get on at least do a video, talk about where I think what's going on with the markets today, what's going on with Bitcoin. Happy Easter, guys. God bless, by the way. So, since like Thursday today, guys, we've seen basically exactly what I said was going to happen in terms of Bitcoin. Um, Bitcoin is ranged in like $1,000 range for the last like 3 days, between 84.5 and 85.5, basically, right? And that's exactly what I told you guys was going to happen. I said it was just going to be boring sideways action through the weekend because there's no volume, right? Everyone is enjoying their family time and stuff like that, and that's super super fantastic. Yeah. So so we've basically seen exactly what we were expecting to see over the weekend. I'm not expecting that to change. Um, we'll see what happens next week. As per the M2 money supply, there is the potential for a tiny bit of a correction. Like I've been telling you guys, 82, 83K, worst case 80 to 81, in my opinion. But that's not a guarantee, but it is possible. So I wanted to put that out there for you guys. Outside of that, though, I think that a breakout of the bullpen in on Bitcoin on the daily time frame again is going to bring us between 90 to 91K potentially next week, which would be perfect for starting off May uh, on a good note, because I do think that there's a very high possibility we see, a good parabolic run start through May, June, July, August, um, maybe into September. We'll have to continue to track the M2 money supply because that's what I'm tracking it off of, right, guys? Obviously, you guys know. If you've been here for, subscribe to the channel, we're tracking the M2 money supply correlation with Bitcoin, and it would dictate a potential minor dip, like I said, 82 to 83K, followed by, you know, but that doesn't have to happen, but a break up to 91K is more likely in the cards, in my opinion. So we're watching that for May, guys. I'm probably gonna do a little bit of DCAing tonight because I just don't believe we're gonna have much more time to DCA, especially if things obviously start going parabolic in May. We start seeing that run up, then yeah. Another metric, guys, that that you can use to kind of get an idea of where the market is going is the general sentiment in crypto right now. And I'm seeing a lot of bigger content creators um, making a big mistake, in my opinion, right? Calling for, lower prices, calling for downward pressure and stuff like that. Um, but people have their biases. People have their metrics that they use. They use certain tools, certain, indicators. And some indicators are going to flash some things, and some indicators are going to flash other things, right? And I mean, the only other content creator right now that I see out there right now calling for a move to the upside is Caesar, right? Caesar gets crypto. That's it. I haven't seen anybody else calling for higher price action going into May, June, July. So that tells me that's an indicator in itself. That tells me that usually when the general consensus is that the market's going down, it usually does the opposite, right? So I think we're gonna see that happen. I think we're gonna see rate cuts happen in probably May, but if not May, June at the latest. We're going to see China start printing money to stimulate their economy, and not just China. So we're going to start to see a lot of money start being printed, more than already is. Um, and I think we're going to start to see this tariff stuff kind of come full circle and kind of shut down. Mr. T said on Thursday, I think it was, that China had reached out to talk. So I wouldn't be shocked to see some sort of an agreement come into place in the next couple of weeks there. So everything's lining up for a move, both macroeconomically and through technical analysis. A lot of things are lining up for a move to the upside, right? Now I'm using one of my favorite metrics, not the only one. Again, indicators is the M2 money supply. I know that Caesar uses the Fibonacci's, right? So, so we're both using two different indicators, and they're both saying the same thing, guys, right? Now listen, we could be wrong, and there's nothing wrong with that, right? You don't see me on here gloating when I'm right. I don't care if I'm right. What I care about is you guys and me, everybody making money. That's all I care about, right? I don't have an ego when it comes to that. If I'm right, I'm right. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. It's besides the point. I don't care about that. Let's make money, right? It's not about status. So, in saying that, guys, so that's kind of what I see happening right now. Again, there's a couple altcoins that are a little bit down today. Not much. It's a mixed bag through the altcoin market. So I'm gonna DCA today, this evening. Deploy a little bit of my capital, not a whole bunch, just a little bit. My buy alerts will be over on the Patreon, if you want to know what that is, or what they are. Anyway, what I'm DCing into. I started accumulating a brand new project in my portfolio last night, a solid micro cap or small cap layer 1 project that I think is going to do really well. So if you want to get in early on that, guys, before it starts to pop off, definitely get over to the Patreon for that. Join the family over there. And sorry, my voice is really starting to go out on me. I apologize, guys. I just want to make sure I get everything out to you guys today, because it's not going to be a live stream later or anything like that. So yeah, I think that just about wraps it up, guys. Like more sideways boring action. We'll see what the weekly close looks like tonight. That'll be 7 p.m. Central. If you're wondering what time that happens, 8 p.m. Eastern. If you're in Canada or the States, whatever. So that's coming tonight. We'll see what happens on the close. Depending on how we close, we could see, if bears push us down, then we could see a little bit of red this evening in the markets. But I don't think we will, just because, again, there's no volume. Yeah, markets are closed tomorrow as well, I believe. Easter Monday. Yeah, I think markets are closed on Easter. Let me know in the chat down below, guys, or in the comment section. Are the markets closed on Easter Monday in the States? Well, everywhere, really, I guess. Let me know, because I can't remember off the top. I'm really sick, guys. Like, I can't even think straight, to be honest with you, but it just doesn't feel right not getting at least some content out to you guys. So I wanted to make sure I got that out there. And yeah, so I apologize, guys, for no live stream today. I'm really sorry about that. I'm just gonna take some medication, get some rest, so I can get back to giving you guys the latest and greatest. So make sure you shoot us a like and a sub on the channel, guys. Help us grow. And yeah, we'll see. Maybe I can get another video out later tonight or something. We'll see how I feel. But right now, my voice is failing on me again. So come on over to the Patreon family, guys. Also, there's a lot of chatter over there right now in the chats. While the markets are boring and they're slow, jumping over to the community, we got thousands of people over there, guys. Everyone's chatting right now, bringing out their, right now I think they're talking about like price targets and exit strategies or exit price points for a lot of the gems that we're in and stuff like that. So come and join the conversation, guys. We're also helping out with like hot wallets and cold wallets. If you don't know how to operate a self-custody wallet, we can help you with that. Same thing with your hot wallets. If you're having a hard time understanding your gas fees on like your Coinbase wallet, or transfer from hot wallets to cold wallets or anything like that, definitely come on over to the community, guys. Everybody's always helping. Everybody's always chatting. The chats are buzzing. We're live there every single day. You can book one-on-one coaching calls with me personally over there for free. And if you don't like it, guys, look, worst case scenario, if you don't like it over there, you can leave, and you got a free one-on-one coaching call out of the deal, where I'll answer any of the crypto questions that you have, right? Or really any question, really. But and you get that for free, worst case scenario, right? So you got nothing to lose and you got everything to gain. So check it out, guys. And I look forward to seeing you guys. Hopefully I feel better tomorrow. Again, I apologize for the lack of content today, guys. Like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.